Hello everyone, my name is Emeka Nwokocha, and I want to be sharing with you a unique system, an automated system that will help you to raise fund for your rent, raise funds for your children's education, raise funds for anything that you can think of. It's wonderful. This is a crowdfunding opportunity that started far away in America. This is more than 2 years. It's more than 2 years old. It's for a way for ordinary people to come together to cut the bully, which is poverty to size. So follow me on this. It is highly automated, like I said. We have basically it's 2 stages. We have the first stage. The first stage is where you do a donation of $10 using the link of your inviter, so that you talk to 3 of your friends who also needed to rescue themselves. The name of the opportunity is called Our Own Rescue in Motion. So these 3 persons will also donate their own $10, making it $30. The system automatically upgrades you to level 2 of this stage 1. So that is with $20 and return $10 to you. And these 3 persons haven't gotten their own 3s, making it 9. So as soon as the 9 are getting their own 3 persons, the system automatically upgrades them to you. That is $20 each multiplied by 9 gives us $180. $180, and $10 will be taken automatically by the system to enter you again, so that you can earn this 170 again and again. So that is stage 1 of level 1 and 2. We call it the ATTM. Now we also have the higher one, which is $100. You can come in with the $100. You get your 3 persons. As you refer the 3 who also make a donation of $100, because they are directly under you, be it spillover. Once you have 3 persons that come under you, it means these are your people. They donate to you. So these 3 donations, which is $300, the system automatically upgrades you to stage 2, level 2. And once you have been upgraded, it means you have positioned yourself for 9 persons. How did the 9 come about? The 3 persons each also introduce their 3, and that is 9. So these 9, as soon as they are getting their own 3, they are being upgraded to you. So you are receiving $200 into 9 places, making it $1,800. Now $100 will be used to re-enter you into the system again, and $100 goes to the administrative expenses. So now you can be circling out with 170/80 again and again, while you are also cycling out with 1,800/17 again and again. This is awesome. So I will just show you my dashboard, also letting you know that I just joined this wonderful system not quite long, but I can tell you this is what we need to rescue ourselves financially. Are you in an organization? Do you have friends that will want to raise funds for any emergency, for any thing like rent? and all that. This is the program for us. Come, let us do it together. Emi Divine is my username, and you can see I have already gotten my 3, and my 3, they are already gotten their own 3. So I have started earning the $20. And how do we get paid? It does not have a referral. It does not have a withdrawal button. We are paid every Monday and every Thursday. So the program of $10 is called the ATTM. So after your registration, you fill in your payment information, which is all about crypto. Your payment info, USDT TRC20. Then you also come back to make a purchase. Purchasing is because I've already purchased. Say you are not allowed to purchase more than one position. So when you click on purchase, then it will give you options. You can pay with Tron, you can pay with BTC, you can pay with Litecoin, you can also pay with Binance Smart Chain. So you are at will to make your choice. I always like to pay with Tron because the charges are low. So this is like I said, my position. You can see stage 1, level 1. So I've already gotten level in stage 1. I am already in level 2, as you can see, and one person has already given me upgraded $20 to me. So this is wonderful. So I encourage you to do all it takes to come in. Is just a $10 program, and you can now move into the $100. Where in Nigeria economy, this is mind blowing. You can make the maths yourself. So let me know if you have any question. You can say it in the comment section. With that being said, thank you so much, and bye bye. See you on the other side of success. Bye bye.